In this video I will explain to you how to set up your Curve card and then transfer the data of this payment card to us here so that we can send your PAYCELET to you as soon as possible. With our partner Curve you have the advantage that you can connect any Visa and MasterCard with your PAYCELET. Thus, for every payment you make with your PAYCELET, if it is connected to your Curve card, the credit card connected to Curve will be charged directly. First you download the Curve app via the link below the video. The link will direct you to the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on the device. After installation, open the Curve app. The app is currently only available in English. I'll explain to you how everything works very easily. Here you select your country at the top and simply click on Next. In the next step, enter your mobile phone number and press Continue. You will receive an SMS code and enter it here and then press Continue. Now you enter your email address and press Continue again. Now you have to set a 4-digit code that is necessary to access the app. Attention, this code will not become the PIN for your Curve credit card. We'll get to that later in the video. Here you click on Next and then enter your first name, your last name and your date of birth. Attention, please enter these data exactly as they are on your identity card, as we will use them for verification later. Then you enter your address here. The next step is to enter your employment status. If you do not want to share this, you can also just click on Other. Now we are at the step where we add your current Visa or MasterCard in Curve. To do this, click on Link your first card. Then enter your credit card details. After that, depending on the procedure, you have to verify yourself at your bank, for example with a TAN or by opening your bank app, and then your credit card is already connected to the Curve account. At this point, Curve will ask you to legitimize your identity. In the financial sector, this is required by law. If the legitimation process does not start directly with you right now, you can simply skip the next explanations and initiate the legitimation of your account yourself later. To start this process, let's first click on Upload Document. Then we click on Choose Document and we recommend choosing the National Identity Card. Here we now scan the front side and click on the Photograph button. If we are satisfied with the photo that is displayed to us, then we click on Submit Photo. Otherwise click on Retake and then we can take a new photo again. Now it's the back of the ID card. Again, we take a photo, check whether the photo has the right quality and if successful, we click on Submit Photo again. Now we just need to take a selfie. To do this, we position the face in this oval and take a picture. We are uploading this photo now. It is then checked once by Curve. If successful, we will get a message that looks like this. This process can take up to 10 minutes. For us, this was usually done within a minute. We continue with a click on Choose your Curve card and this takes us to the card selection. We recommend the Curve Standard, because with this you have no monthly costs. You can find this card at the far left end of this collection, which you are currently viewing here. So we click here on Get Curve for $4.99, confirm our payment details here again and our Curve credit card is ready for use from now on. You can now also view the stored credit card data directly in the Curve app. In that case, we will skip the step with Apple Pay. We don't need that anymore. In this main page of the Curve app, you could theoretically add more credit cards with a swipe to the left and later change which card should be charged when you pay with your PAYCELET. The card details of your virtual Curve credit card are exactly the card details that are now transferred onto your PAYCELET. But first we need the card details such as the card number, the CVC and of course the expiration date. And to achieve this, we have to click on Account at the bottom right. Then a tutorial will open the first time you open it, but we'll skip it here first, because that's exactly what I'll show you in this video. Now we see the card details button at the top of the credit card. Then we click on it and then on See Card Number. Then the card is turned over once and we see on the back, so to speak, the card number, the expiration date and the security code CVC. We now have to copy this data and type it in for your PAYCELET in the order confirmation process. The order confirmation page now looks something like this. If you are currently watching the video and have already closed this page, you can reach it again at any time via the link in the confirmation email. We now click on Connect with Fidesmo Pay and enter the email address here, which you also use with the Curve app. Then you enter the card details from your virtual Curve card. These were the card details that we just displayed in the Curve app. And here again important, please do not enter any other credit card details from your credit cards, but really only those from your virtual Curve card, because only these will work. In the last step we come to the general terms and conditions, which we still have to accept here. As soon as this has happened, we will be shown this success message here, which shows us that our virtual Curve card has been successfully connected to the PAYCELET. You can now also see this note with the corresponding PAYCELET in the order confirmation page. If you have ordered several PAYCELETs at once, you must link them all individually to a credit card. In theory, you can always use the same card or combine each with a different card.